It's the blizzard of 2009. It's the first snow of the winter. I think winter actually starts on Monday, but it is coming down. They expect that we'll get 12 to 18 inches. This is a view from my living room. You can't see too far because of the snow. Usually I can see Manhattan and the bridge and everything, but I can't see anything out here. I might have to go into Donovan's room to get another shot of the field, which is covered with snow, probably the Long Island University field. So, this is snow in Brooklyn. The car's out there somewhere too. Probably, but I am going to close the window because it is cold and I don't have any socks on because I have project heat and it is extremely hot in the house, extremely cold outside. Bye-bye. Okay, wow, it's worse in my room. I thought it would, I don't know what I thought, but there's a big pile of snow in the window here. Let's see. This is the field. I'm getting all wet. But yeah, it's coming down. That's Long Island University across the street. And you can't see much of anything else. You can't see anything downtown. You can't even see the big clock. There's a giant clock. The Williamsburg Bank is, and I can make it out just a little bit, but you can't see the clock on top. There's a shadow just to the left of the building where you see those lights. That's the bank. The hospital you can't see. Let's see if I can see. If I stick my head out the window. Fort Greene Park is down there. Let's see. I can see. I can't see the. Oh wait, let me zoom in and see what I can find here. See a little bit of the tower. So that's the end of the snow. I am getting back in now. Nobody's outside.